Hey guys, it's me Charlotte, and today I'm borrowing my dad's studio and we're going to do some unboxing. First we're going to unbox this Enchantimals, Patter, Peacock and Flap. It's the Peacock one. So I'm just going to get the scissors. Oh, it says on the back. Patter is proud of her fashionable feathers and she loves to encourage her friends to be proud too. Patter may not have the best singing voice, but when she teams up with Flap, their songs are always belted out in a perfect harmony. And here's Patter. She has a cute little golden crown and a bun. She's got peacock feathers. She's got like a little furry jumper, a cute little dress and some blue shoes. And on the back of the flap he's got some feathers and he's got little purple hair, and I don't think she stands up. There you go. Next we're going to unbox this, a little Best Furry Friends 1 pack. And oh, I got a little fairy one, and her name is Beauty, and she's one of the fairies. There we go. And the bag I got is the blue travel bag. So I can put her over here with the other ones. Okay. The next thing we're going to open is a little squishy animal. I got this out of a capsule machine. Ooh, it's a little, I think it's a dog. Ooh, what's this? Nothing. I think it's a dog, yeah. I got a little doggy. I think it's like silicone. Ooh, it's very squishy. Boop, boop, boop. Yeah, I think that's a little dog, and I think you could stack them. That's why there's like a little bit underneath to stack them. That's very cute. I'll put him over here. There we go. And the last thing we're going to open is a Best Furry Friends doll. And this one is Angelina and Stardust. And it also says something here. Hi, I'm Angelina. I love to sing and dance and perform with my adorbs BFF, Stardust the Pegacorn. Give us the stage and a microphone and we'll bring the party. So it comes with a little glittery bag, and this is a exclusive bag and it's a donut one, and the little exclusive glittery Stardust, the Pegacorn. And she is so cute. There we go. And it comes with a headband and Angelina. Angelina is got two very long ponytails, some pink and blue in her hair, and a t-shirt with a little star on it. She's got a BFF necklace like all the pets do, and some silver glittery leggings, a pink skirt, and some cute pink shoes with little buckles. On her headband. So let's put on her headband. There we go. Little kitty cat ears, that looks so cute. There we go. Let's sit her down over here. And it also comes with a little suitcase and a mystery pet inside. So the ones that you can get are Penelope the polar bear, Barbara lamb, Savannah zebra, and Blossom panda, which is the limited edition. So let's try it and see if we'll get the panda. Okay, got it out. How do you open this? Oh, there we go. And you can like extend it and use it for a rolly suitcase. That's so cute. Hope I get the panda. And we got the little zebra. Oh, that's so cute. Put her over here. There we go. And I've just noticed that on the bottom of Patta's shoes, she's got little peacock feathers. That's so cute. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and watch my other videos.